Trust Wallet Crypto Staking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Trust Wallet has established itself as one of the most user-friendly and secure crypto wallets for staking. Designed for both beginners and experienced investors, this platform enables seamless access to decentralized finance, offering support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, and more. What makes Trust Wallet stand out is its simplicity paired with robust functionality. Staking is straightforward. Select your preferred cryptocurrency, choose a validator, and start earning rewards with just a few taps. The platform offers competitive APYs, ensuring you maximize your holdings over time, all while maintaining full control of your private keys. Trust Wallet's staking feature is entirely non-custodial, meaning your assets are never held by a third party, adding an extra layer of security. It's perfect for crypto enthusiasts seeking passive income without the complexity of third-party services. The app also integrates a browser for decentralized apps, dApps, allowing you to explore DeFi opportunities or NFT marketplaces directly from your wallet. Additionally, staking rewards and fees are transparently displayed, so there are no surprises about potential deductions. A major highlight is its mobile-first design. Trust Wallet is sleek and optimized for iOS and Android, making it ideal for on-the-go users. However, the app doesn't compromise security. Features like biometric authentication and encrypted backups provide peace of mind. Trust Wallet also supports staking for multiple assets in one place, eliminating the need for managing multiple platforms. While the platform is excellent for ease of use, it may not cater to advanced stakers who require detailed analytics or a wide array of customization options for validators. Nevertheless, for most users, its balance of simplicity and functionality is unmatched. In summary, Trust Wallet is a reliable and secure solution for staking and earning passive income from your crypto assets. Whether you're new to staking or a seasoned investor, it offers an accessible, intuitive, and trustworthy platform. With its non-custodial model, dApp browser integration, and competitive rewards, Trust Wallet lives up to its name as a trusted companion in the crypto space.